Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So for this video I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a visual of our new Dodge Ram boards for the 09 to 18 Dodge Ram. These are for the stock style halogen headlights, nothing like some of the aftermarket ones, but a little bit more, you know, of a drop-in ready kit for the set that might have come with your truck. These are made with a UCS 12 volt addressable LED, so they are quite a bit brighter than most other options in the market currently. In addition to that, we do have the two-sided tape on the back side to make securing them easier. We do recommend using some fishing line or something in addition, just to prevent the potential for heat, sun, vibrations, things like that to break them free. But this should do a pretty good job of holding it in place in connection with some other kind of a, you know, possibly like a fishing line or something like that to secure it. For those of you that do like to modify lights beyond just basic kits, our halos like these do have outputs as well. Now, I have currently got it paired up with our controller, which is going to be an option if you would like to add the controller. We do also sell the BlueGhozt controller, which is probably a little bit nicer of a controller to go to. But in this case, I wanted to show you with the cheaper option what you're going to be getting with it. Now, so you got basic function, plug and play here with the controller, power and ground that go directly to the battery, built-in fuse. You have 4 JST connections here that, in the case of this year of Ram, you will only need to use 2. One is, you'll see there's kind of 2 groups that come out of here. So this is one channel, this is the other channel for your turn signals and such. So you have a startup animation. It's just like that. When you shut off the DRLs or the parking lights on the truck, it will just turn right off. And then you have your turn signal animation, which is a little bit of a fast sequential, but it's flowing, circular on the halos themselves, and then that would go right back to your startup. So it goes from your startup animation, just like that, to, my wire's touching here, sorry about that, to the turn signal, and then right back to your DRL. So it is a switchback function in that sense, but it does have the animations as well. Now, obviously this is color flow, so we can step it up a little bit further with your color flow options using the SP105 controller. Output is very good. Like I said, they are 12 volts, so you know, everything you would need is included with that controller, but it is a 12 volt setup in case you were using a different controller to run them. Once again, it does use the UCS2904, which is an RGBW chipset. That is why our white color is very vivid. But yeah, so I just wanted to show them really quick. Obviously these are for the 09 to 18 Dodge Ram, and you can get them on our site at nextlevelneo.com. The link will be in the description. Thanks.